Our team works very hard to provide great service and satisfy everyone, so we love it when they provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. This is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with anyone, whether they are new or returning. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.